Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Drone photography might not be brand new anymore, but let's be honest, it still feels a little out of reach for most people. You need skill, practice, and let's not forget, a decent chunk of money. Sometimes a few $1,000s. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Just to get started, but if you've always wanted to capture that breathtaking bird's eye view without diving too deep into the technical or financial side, the new DJI Neo2 might be exactly what you're looking for. This little guy is compact, budget-friendly, and to my surprise, the footage it delivers is seriously impressive. Compared to the first generation, the Neo2 is a massive step forward. It's smarter, smoother, and a lot more intuitive. We're talking about intelligent follow-me shots, gesture selfies, palm takeoff and landing, and upgraded omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. A huge plus for beginners who don't want to crash their new drone on day one. I've got the full Neo2 Singfly kit here, so naturally we had to head up into the mountains to really test it out. But before we get to the footage, let's talk about what's inside the box and the overall design. The Neo2 keeps the all-in-one design of the original, but refines it with better hovering stability and smarter return-to-home logic. It's built with safety in mind, both yours and the drone's, so even if you make a mistake, it's forgiving and beginner-friendly. The battery system is super convenient thanks to the quick-release mechanism. Just pinch the sides and lift it toward the lens, it pops right out. The Singfly charging hub can juice up 3 batteries at once, supports 65-watt fast charging, and even doubles as a power bank with 10-watt reverse charging for your phone or other gadgets. On the front, you'll find a black and white LED display that shows real-time control status. With the help of 3 physical buttons, you can take off, switch modes, and start shooting, all without even connecting to the app. It's designed for fast-paced situations where you don't want to waste time fiddling with your phone. Another upgrade over the first-gen model is the addition of a horizontal axis, which means no more heavy cropping during flight. The electronic image stabilization also does a great job keeping quality loss to a minimum. You can instantly see how much clearer and sharper the footage looks. At the back, there are 2 small antennas for stable transmission, while up front, a radar sensor sits beside the main camera. On the tail, there are 2 ultra-wide-angle lenses, one on top and one below, used for obstacle detection. The Neo2's omnidirectional monocular vision system takes things even further, achieving full-range obstacle avoidance that outperforms previous models like the Flip. Both the flight stability and image quality have seen huge leaps, making the Neo2 far more practical for everyday creators. Under the hood, it's rocking a 12-megapixel 1/2-inch CMOS sensor with an f2.2 aperture, backed by a high-performance image processor. The result? Crisp, vibrant shots with excellent detail and color accuracy, especially in good lighting conditions. Thankfully, that over-sharpened look from the older model is gone too. On the video side, the Neo2 levels up from 4K 30 FPS to 4K 60 FPS, and it doesn't stop there. You also get 4K 100 FPS slow motion and 2.7K vertical shooting, which is perfect for short-form content creators. Plus, with Wi-Fi Direct, transfer speeds jump from 25 Mbps to a blazing 80 Mbps, letting you preview, edit, and upload straight from your phone, no waiting around. The drone also comes with 49 gigabytes of built-in storage, which can hold roughly an hour of 4K 60 FPS footage. And since the kit includes 3 batteries, you'll have plenty of flight time to capture everything you want. In short, the DJI Neo2 makes drone photography accessible, powerful, and fun again. No steep learning curve or sky-high price tag required. Our Flyway kit also comes with the RC-N3 remote controller, which is pretty cool on its own. Once you extend the tripod and connect it to your phone using the data cable, it gives you an impressive 10-kilometer transmission range. It uses the classic joystick control setup, which is perfect for those precise camera movements that need a human touch. Now, here's the thing. The DJI Neo2 isn't trying to replace professional drones used for cinematic aerial shots. Instead, its whole idea is to act as your personal cameraman. Think about it. When you're out running, cycling, or driving, it's almost impossible to ask someone nearby to record for you. And hiring a professional photographer? That's definitely overkill. This is exactly where the Neo2 shines. It's designed to make solo shooting effortless and fun. Let's see what it's like to actually use it. Power it on, let it lift off, and simply hold out your palm. When the blue light turns on, it'll lock onto your hand and start following your movements, up, down, left, right. Use both hands and you can even control the zoom, letting you adjust the frame or angle on the fly while shooting alone. When you're done filming, just extend your palm again and like magic, it'll land smoothly right back in your hand. This trick alone is a total showstopper when you're out traveling. It looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's worth noting that this palm control feature works only when connected to your phone. Once you switch to joystick control, it turns off automatically. Moving on to the follow shot function, it's gotten way smarter in this generation. Now, in addition to the older focus and orbit modes, it adds a sliding zoom feature that's perfect for cycling shots or dynamic scenes. The Neo2's flight speed has also received a major boost, from 8 meters per second up to 12 meters per second. That means it can easily keep up with a car cruising at around 30 kilometers per hour. The resulting shots, especially cityscapes, look as if they were captured by a pro. Later, we even tried using that same sliding zoom to capture smooth cinematic Westgate Kirk-style zoom shots, and it worked beautifully. When flying the Neo2 manually with the remote, it can go as low as 20 centimeters above the ground. Even though it doesn't offer a full manual mode, the flight control feels snappy and fast, almost like piloting a mini racing drone. It's surprisingly thrilling to watch the live feed as you zip it around. Besides videos, the Neo2 also captures portraits, both full-body and half-body shots, with optimized framing. The 12-megapixel stills look impressive, with natural skin tones and solid detail. The image processing has clearly been upgraded too. You can see brighter, cleaner results, especially in complex lighting. Even while tracking subjects, the obstacle avoidance system stays active, making sure you stay safe in every shot. To really test it, we flew it into a small forest, and it handled the tricky environment like a pro, smoothly dodging branches and obstacles. Honestly, flying it hands-free feels more natural and satisfying than using the remote. One surprise I didn't expect, its wind resistance. Despite weighing just a little over 100 grams, the Neo2 can handle level 5 winds. That's pretty remarkable for such a lightweight drone. This added stability not only helps you capture steady shots, but also ensures it can safely return to your hand even when the weather turns rough. As for battery life, each one gives you around 15 minutes of flight time. It's always good practice to monitor the battery level while flying to make sure it returns safely before running out of power. After spending a full day flying the DJI Neo2, the things that stood out most to me were its omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, which is even better than the Flip, and its overall improvements in flight performance and tracking intelligence. For what it offers, it's absolutely worth the price. And without a doubt, it's the best choice right now for anyone looking to get into drone photography at the entry level.